Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video, and as you can see this one is very different. So I actually recorded videos for like unboxing for December, and then obviously this is the January one. The December one didn't want to upload onto my phone from Splice for some reason, so I decided to scrap it, and I thought, okay, let me just do a January one. And then the same thing ended up having for January. I'm not sure why Splice is giving me this issue, but I'm gonna try and do it like this. But basically, everything's done in a really fast time lapse. But as far as just video as the figures, you can see I have the Amber Collection Raptor. Here's a NECA Predator. And throughout the video, I'll see other things such as some little chibi Godzilla figures I found, and then some upgrade kits from DNA Designs, which you do upgrade kits for Transformer figures. Um, but yeah, and then for December's video, I found a lot of Halo Infinite, like the Halo Infinite figures. I got the Playmates large Kong figure that came out, plus some McFarlane DC Multiverse figures. And so overall, I mean, I just wanted to get that out the way. I mean, you will not get it out the way. And yes, I got more Halo Spark collection figures. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted, because I've been trying to get this video done and it's been pain in the butt, but hopefully this works. And yeah, I mean, hopefully we'll get back to a little more normal. But unless y'all prefer this, since it's much smaller, much shorter video, just let me know what's up. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. I don't want to ramble on too long, but yeah, just be sure to follow my Instagram page, Giovanni Arts and Collectibles. Like I said, I post pictures of just just the figures I buy, my art stuff, specifically my art stuff, and I just personal or like from school. But yeah, and so like I said, Giovanni Arts and Collectible. I appreciate it, and thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.